Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be on the second page right over here. So once you find it, you can either tap on it right now, like so, to turn it on, or you can also hold the toggle, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So you have things like exceptions for messages and calls, so you can pick who can call you and message you. You have schedule options, you have ring for repeated callers, and so on. So go to the options that you want to change, customize them to your liking, and from there simply leave this section, and then when you enable the Do Not Disturb mode like I did, it will then take the settings that, well, you have changed. And that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.